Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Realize it has been a bit and I'm currently in my grandma's kitchen. For today's video, I decided I would do another baking video. So today we're going to be making a peach crisp, which is basically like a peach cobbler, but just a little bit different. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and know that new videos are coming. But anyways, I'm really excited to be making this, so let's just get straight on into the video. I went to the farmer's market today. We got this bag full of peaches. First thing I'm going to do is just going to be cutting them up. I've never cut peaches before, so I might be doing this very wrong. And normally you would take off the skin, but my grandma told me not to just because she likes the way it is with the skin on. So I'm just going to be cutting these into thin slices. I was definitely not expecting them to be this overripe, but when we went to the farmer's market, they actually gave them to us for free because they were so overripe. So far the hardest part about making this is that I'm at my grandma's house and I don't really know where everything is. I'm just going to put these peaches into a bowl and then we're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar to the bowl. I added the sugar. We're just going to stir it gently and sort of let it sit. I'm just going to mix it with a spoon. I guess now we're just going to let it sit for about 20 minutes. Siri, set timer for 20 minutes.
Okay, 20 minutes and counting.
So now it's been about 20 minutes, and as you can see, there's just a little bit of juice at the bottom. I'm just going to put the juice into another bowl. Here's the juice. Now I'm just going to be adding the flour, lemon juice, vanilla, salt, and cinnamon. I just made a very big mistake. Instead of adding 2 tablespoons of flour, I added 1/2 cup because I read it wrong. It's okay, I just took a little bit out. Should be okay. Probably not. Now that I've added all the ingredients, again, I added too much flour, but I'm going to see how it works. I'm just basically going to mix it all around.
Oh, I'm just a kid.
So as you guys can see, the mixture is still pretty lumpy. I'm not a chef, so I don't know. I think it's okay. We're just going to pour it back over this. This mixture smells really, really good, so I'm really excited. I just finished. I added all of the ingredients. This is to make the crust. I added everything. I don't feel like saying it all because it was quite a lot of ingredients. I just cut up the butter into chunks and actually asked for cold butter, which is interesting. Now I'm basically just going to mix this all around.
Oh, I'm just a kid. Never seen the world.
Here is the finished crust. Now we're just going to refrigerate it. I just preheated the oven to 375 and now I'm going to be putting the peaches into a tin. I decided to use this dish because I thought it was pretty cute. So here are all of the peaches. We're just going to be sprinkling the crust on the top of that. So it's a little bit different than an actual pie or a cobbler. We're just going to be putting the peaches on the bottom and then sprinkling the crust on the top. Now I basically just spread the crust all on the top. And now we're going to be popping it into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Here is the peach crisp. Literally just came out of the oven like 2 minutes ago, so I'm gonna let it cool down. I put it in for longer just because it still feels kind of soft. I'm not sure exactly how it's supposed to feel. We're gonna cut into it later and see how it tastes.
Oh, I know
currently outside right now and I decided to try a peach crisp. My first impression is that it is not what I thought it was going to be. It is not the texture that I thought. It smells delicious. I just took a bite and it was actually really good. Even if it didn't look the best, I think it tasted really good. It was nice and warm. And that was my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on Sunday with a new video. So, bye!
Let me just come tell you how I feel.